Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A3 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So I'd like to start this tutorial with blocking the number you've got currently saved on your contact list, and after that I'll show you more manual way of blocking the number. So first of all, let's open your contact list, find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it. And as you can see right here under the contact settings, we've got block numbers option. So let me tap on it. I don't want to report it as a spam. Basically, your device is informing you that you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this specific number. So let's tap on block if you're ready. And as you can see, we've got this characteristic icon, the information that the number has been blocked, which means that again, you will not receive calls or messages. Of course, you can unblock this number the same way, just by tapping unblock numbers. However, let me leave it blocked. We will check whether it will appear on the blacklist. So now we can go back to the contact list. And in the second way of blocking the number, it does not really matter whether you will be on the contacts, recents or favorites. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. Here in the general list, we have blocked numbers. Let's tap on it, and here we've got our blacklist. That's the number we blocked from our contacts. So you can see that the previous option works also. I also said that this way is more manual because we can tap on add a number, and as you can see, we can enter it manually and tap on block, and it will of course appear on the blacklist, and again you won't receive calls or messages from this number. What is more, here we've got the option unknown at the top, which means that your device is allowed to block the calls from all unidentified callers. You can use this option just by tapping on the switcher to activate it and tapping on it again to turn it off. If you want to unblock the numbers which are on the blacklist, just tap on this X icon and tap on unblock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.